today's class, we will be studying about national integration, its importance and necessity. Unity and diversity reveals the true nature of India. India, as a mighty nation, is composed of heterogeneous communities speaking different languages, practicing different religions, and living in different regions. However, these diversities has a code of cultural unity. Democracy, citizenship, patriotism, and international understanding are intimately related with emotional and national integration. It is also the basis for political unity, social and economic progress, eradication of corruption, development of culture, national literature, national language, and ultimately, national integration is the basis for a strong and united country. With this as a brief introduction, I come to the aim of today's class, that is, to acquaint the cadets about national integration, its importance and necessity. For ease of understanding, I will be covering today's class in following two parts. In the part 1, importance of national integration, and in the part 2, we will be discussing why national integration is a necessity. Moving on to part 1, importance of national integration. Before we move further ahead, let us understand the meaning and origin of the word nation. The word has been derived from the Latin word natio, meaning bringing together the people of different races, religion, languages, blood, caste, color, creed, and sex to unite them into a harmonious group. National integration is the feeling of oneness, which is a cohesive force that binds all the citizens of a country into a single unit. This feeling of oneness implies bringing about social, economic, political, cultural, and linguistic differences prevailing amongst the society within a tolerable range. National integration can also be called as the process of knitting together various diverse forces. The challenges and the threat which are endangering our national unity can only be met after inculcating the feeling of patriotism and nationalism amongst all the citizens of the country. National integration is a feeling of oneness which transcends all group of cultural differences and bring them together into a compact whole. Cadets, now moving to part 2, necessity of national integration. India, being a very diverse country, national integration is necessary to maintain the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the nation, and also it helps in maintenance of peace and harmony. The feeling of oneness is required for the growth and development of the nation, which will eradicate the poverty and illiteracy. United and peaceful India will attract foreign investment and increase import and export, thus improving the economic status of the country. It will also invite the exchange of technological know-how and culture with various developed and developing countries. National integration gives us the dignity and self-respect to every citizen as a nation. It encourages welfare activity and well-being of the people belonging to various caste, creed, color, sex, or religion. Moving on to the role of NCC in national integration. NCC is the largest youth force in the world, and it plays a very significant role in national integration. The motto of NCC, that is unity and diversity, encourages all the cadets belonging to various regions with various differences to unite and propagate the message of unity. Various camps are being conducted in NCC training, wherein cadets get the opportunity to interact and train with other students belonging to different part of the country. One of the best example for NCC camp wherein the national integration is promoted is the Republic Day camp. So cadets, national integration is very important to keep the country united and strong from within, despite the diversities and differences. Therefore, national integration play an essential role for developing a country because India with national unity will always flourish and develop. Thank you. Jai Hind.